Hi everyone, I am Varun Kumar and now we are going to discuss online transaction chapter 1 session 7. Introduction. Online transaction is a payment method in which the transfer of fund or money happens online over the electronic fund transfer. Online transaction process OLTP is secure and password protected. Three steps involved in online transaction are registration, placing an order and payment. E-shopping. Online shopping is a form of electronic commerce which allow consumer to directly buy goods or service from a seller over the internet using a web browser. How to order products from flipkart.com. Go to flipkart.com and you will be greeted with the start page of the website. Here you will see latest and exciting offer along with products described under various categories such as electronics, appliances, men, women, home and furniture, books and many more. Once you have selected the product and you are on the product page, click the buy now option and you can also add this product to your cart and continue to shop on the website as you can see in this figure. In the next step, hit the place order button and get ready to log into the Flipkart account with your Flipkart login credential. Also on the right side, the exact amount to be paid will be displayed. Next step is to log into your Flipkart account in just two simple steps as shown below. Just fill your contact number or email ID in the first step and next put your Flipkart password and hit sign in button. In the next step, fill the complete delivery address along with your PIN code. After filling complete delivery address, click on save and continue and review your order here in next picture. After that, review your order, check the amount to be paid, estimated delivery time, delivery charge, etc. On the next step, write down your email ID to receive the invoice of your ordered product. Now we are on the last step. Here we have a lot of options in which we can pay online on the Flipkart. Now you will be taken to the payment page where you can choose to pay by cash on delivery, debit card or credit card, net banking or even RuPay. Choose whichever payment option you like. You can even choose to store your card detail on the secure payment page so that you can shop safely on the go. Why shop online? Why we are going to shop online? See here in online shopping, it saves time and efforts. The convenience of shopping at home, wide variety range of product are available, good discount, lower price. Get detailed information about the product. We can compare various models and brands. In online shopping, we have no pressure shopping. Generally, in physical store, the sales representative try to influence the buyer to buy the product, while in online shopping, you are free to do as you will. Online shopping saves time. Customers do not have to stand in queues in cash counter to pay for the product that have been purchased by them. They can shop from their home or workplace and do not have to spend time traveling. Comparison. There is a wide range of product online. The seller display all the stuff they have got. This enables the buyer to choose from the models after comparing the finish, feature and price of the product on display. Availability. The mall is open on 36 into 24 into 7, so time does not act as a barrier wherever the vendor and buyers are. Online tracking. Online consumers can track the order status, delivery status, tracking of shipping is also available. Online shopping saves money to attract customer to shop online. E-retailer and marketer offer discount to the customer as they have cut down on real estate and maintenance cost. The seller won't back out in the given huge discount. Disadvantage of online shopping. Ease of use in the prime region that drive the success of e-commerce. Through the internet provides a quick and easy way to purchase a product. Some people prefer to use this technology only in limited way. Some people also fear that they might get addicted to online shopping. The major disadvantage of online shopping are as follow. Delay in delivery, long duration and lack of proper inventory management result in delay in shipment. Through the duration of selecting, buying and paying for online payment may not take more than 15 minutes. The delivery of product to the customer doorsteps take about 1 to 3 weeks. Lack of significant discount in online shops. Physical store claim to give significant discount when compared to online store. This is a huge disadvantage for the older generation. Missing the shopping experience. The traditional shopping exercise provided a lot of fun in the form of showroom atmosphere, a smart sale attendant, scent and sound that cannot be experienced through a website. Indians generally enjoy shopping. Consumers look forward to it as an opportunity to go out and shop. Frauds in online shopping. Sometimes there is a disappearance of shopping site itself. In addition to the above, the online payment are not much secured. The rate of cybercrime has been increased and customer credit card detail, bank detail have been misused, which raise privacy issues.